Hi guys! Today we're going to make this cute little tag. It's very, very simple. What I think is really fun about this tag is you can make your own background tag or just use these big shipping tags. And I have this little typewriter here that we're going to stamp. But you could write your own personalized little note on these and use them as place settings or just a fun note to give with a gift that you give to someone. Let's get started. So I'm just using a shipping tag that you can just get at the office supply store, and I just aged it. You could put it in a tea bath and put it in the oven, just use some distressing ink, or just leave it the manila color it is. And I am actually just stamping the typewriter onto some brown paper. And you could use cardstock or you could just use craft paper. This is a stamp I got it from, and I have a couple of these, but really you can find a cute typewriter on Pinterest. There are so many images and vectors out there that you can just print off and use. So I'm just gonna stamp this little guy. And then I'm gonna cut him out and just cut out a silhouette. So what I did next is right here where your paper would normally come out, I'm just going to make a slit. And I just cut another piece of paper, and I want to make sure, depending on the size image you use, just make sure it fits in your slit. This one I actually just stamped this little definition of cherish, but I think it would be really, really fun because then you could write your own little message in there. I might even just stamp some lines on this. I'll let that ink set for a sec. And then on my tag, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to stamp on this one end and put some lines in case I wanna put another note or something else on there. Or you could just draw lines, you could put whatever you would like. You don't even have to add anything else to this. So I'm just going to take my glue stick and put some glue on the back side here. Put this in through the top and decide how far up I need it or want it. Antique this before I put that on. And this is a step if you don't need to do. I just like a very vintage old look, especially with the theme I'm using here. So now I'm just going to glue stick this little guy onto my tag. How cute! Now you can write your little note. So you can see they're both a little different depending on the color craft paper you use and if you antique it or wax it or what you do. But it's just a fun, simple idea, and maybe just a different thought to write a note to someone or do place tags or just add to a gift. Thanks guys for watching. Have fun.